Hello everyone, welcome to the new concept over here. So today's concept is the concept of interleaving characters between two arrays. So what does that mean, the interleaving characters? Well, by interleaving characters, we mean that if we have an A array over here and we have a B array over here, we have to populate both of the elements of these arrays into the third array such that before going on further, let me take some of the elements in array A. I will write it like this: A, B, C, D, and E. Similarly, I will write over here Z, X, let me take it Y, X, V. Okay, so these are the elements in the A array and these are the elements in the B array. Number 1 point, we have to take a third array, that is the array C. Definitely, we have to merge these two arrays. What does the merging means? That is by adding the elements of A array and by adding the elements of B array together, and we have to create a third array. For now, we simply means that we have to sum the size of these arrays. That is, the size of array A is what for now? 5. The size of array B is 5. It means the array C will be of the size 10. So can we take the indexes over here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. How many elements do we have? 11, right? But we have 10 elements. So I have taken the indexes from 0 to 9. Now is the most important point. That is, we have to populate all of these elements in the interleaving way. How? What does that interleaving means? First character will come from array A. I will just color code them. Second character will be coming from B array. Okay, the second character will be coming from the B array and it will be placed over here. The third array, the third element the third element will be coming from A array, and similarly the fourth element will be coming from B array. The next element will be coming from A array again. The next element will be coming from B array. Next element from A array. Next element from B array. Next element from A array. And the last element from B array. It means we have to populate this array by interleaving characters, that is one element from A array and one element from B array. I hope you have got how we are going to do this. This is the question what we have to get, and this is our answer, that the output should be like this. Now the question arises, how we are going to do this? Well, initially we will be taking a character array C of the length what? A plus B. Okay. Then we will be definitely taking an I loop for traversing the array. The I can be either it belongs to the A array, either it belongs to the B array. That is, I should work less than A or less than B, so that whose length is maximum, it will reach up to that. Now, what we are going to write, a very simple logic. I will write down it over here. I will write down if I is less than A dot length. If I is less than A dot length is what? 5. If I is less than A dot length, that is, I have to traverse only when its value is lesser than the length of array A. Similarly, I should work again for B array as well, but only up to lesser than the length of the array B. That is, it is also 5. That is, I will be working only up to the length of A or the length of the B. Now what it is going to do? If I is less than A, what will be I doing? I will be taking A of 0 element into C of 0 element. Okay, this is the first step. In the second step, I will be checking on again if I is less than B dot length. If I is less than B dot length, then what we will be doing, I will be taking C of 1 and I will be saving the element of B dot 0 into C of 1. Again, the value of I will get incremented over here. Now, again it will check. If I is less than A dot length, then what we are going to do, I will be taking A of 1 into C of 2. It will be working like this. A of 1 will be get saved into C of 2, right? Similarly over here, again for the B of array, I will be taking the element of B of 1 into C of 3. B of 1 will get saved into C of 3. If you can notice the pattern, the generalized statement for all of these statements can be whatever it is. It will be like A of I is getting saved into A of I is getting saved into, I cannot write over here C of I, right? This will be the wrong statement. Why? Because if you can notice, the indexes over here is 0, then it is 2. It definitely means that I need to take another variable over here so that it will be working for the index of the C array. So I will be taking here another variable, that is index, and I will be also incremented it every time. Similarly over here, I will be taking at index plus plus, and I will be saving over here the elements of B array. So now how it will work, I will tell you again. Initially, the value of index will be 0. Then this statement will take place. Then index will be incremented. As I have incremented it over here, it will get incremented to 1. That is C of 1. Done. Again, when the I gets incremented and we are over here, because the index's value will get incremented, the value of index will become 2. That is, this statement will take place. And similarly, when the index will get incremented again, we are working for this. This is how it is going to work. Let us now move, and after saving all of the elements into the C array, we will be displaying the elements. Let's move on to the coding section. So I have taken over here character array A, and I have taken the elements as A, B, C. I will be taking only 3 elements for now. Similarly, I will be taking B array X, Y, and Z. Now, as we have discussed in the logical part, I will be taking a third array, C array, whose size will be is equal to new character A dot length plus B dot length. After declaring the size of C array, I will be declaring a variable index for C array as we have discussed, and I will be declaring it as 0. Now, after initializing it as 0, I will be taking a for loop for traversing the whole array. So, as we have discussed, the I should be worked for I should be less than A dot length, or I should be less than B dot length, because it will work for both of it. We will check if I is less than A dot length, then I will be taking A of I elements and get saved into C of I, as I discussed haven't been working, so I will be taking another index over here, that is index, right? Similarly, if I is less than b dot length, I will be taking again C array and we will be saving the elements of v of I into it, and we are done. Now, if you are going to display the elements, definitely we are going to display the elements of C array. I will be printing some of the spaces as well. Let us execute it. And if you can see, all of the elements A, then X, then B, then Y, then C, then Z have been printed over here. Thank you so much for now.